Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain the meter out circuit animation. This is the meter out circuit animation. First, we'll take what are the components of the meter out circuit, then what purpose we are going to use the meter out circuit, then we'll take the working of the meter out circuit. It has tank, pump, direction control valve, check valve, flow control valve, double acting cylinder, and pressure relief valve. And this meter out circuit is used to control the speed of the double acting cylinder by controlling the outlet flow from the cylinder. And this speed control of the double acting cylinder by controlling the outlet flow of the cylinder can be explained with the two positions of the direction control valve. When the direction control valve is in its right envelope, then fluid from the pump is connected to the piston end of the cylinder. Then the piston is starts extending. At the same time, the fluid on the rod end side will be forced to come out from the cylinder, and which should be passed through the flow control valve. And even though there is a check valve in this circuit outlet flow circuit that is in the closed position in that direction, therefore the fluid should be forced to pass through the flow control valve, and that flow rate is initially set for that how much flow it will should carry, and that's why the speed can be decided by controlling that flow through the flow control valve. Even though fluid is entering on the piston end of the cylinder with the full pressure, but the outlet flow will be controlled through the flow control valve. Therefore, there is a restriction of the speed, and that can be controlled by using this outlet flow of the cylinder from the double acting cylinder. Then the other position when it is taking, that fluid is completely extended, then direction control valve is actuated to the left position. Then fluid from the pump is flowing to the rod end port of the cylinder. And here the in this direction the flow check valve is present. The check valve will opens in this direction of the flow. Therefore, the fluid is bypassing the flow control valve and entering to the rod end of the cylinder, and the cylinder will be starts retracting. And at the same time, the fluid at the piston end of the cylinder will be connected to the tank line. As there is no restriction of the flow of the outlet flow in this line, therefore at the full its flow rate it will be flowing. And during the retraction, as there is no restriction of the flow to the inlet as well as the outlet, therefore the piston retracts at its full design speed. Only the extending speed, and while flowing out of the cylinder, the fluid, that speed is controlled, and that is called as a meter out circuit controlling of the speed of the double acting cylinder, where we are going to control the speed by the controlling outlet flow of the cylinder. Okay, this is how by using the animation we can see the how the flowing will be taking place, that in both the positions we can get how the speed will be controlled. During the retraction the speed will be more, during the extension the speed will be less, which will be controlled. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe and comment.